Hi everyone, and welcome to the Cal Poly Career Services YouTube channel. In this series, we will be covering how to evaluate and improve different elements of your job application. Today's episode is about resumes. Let's start with the header. On top of your resume, it is important to include your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn. Above all else, your header should be a quick and easy reference for your name and contact information. Moving down the resume, the next section is an objective. If you are including a cover letter in your application, objectives are not necessary. If your resume is standing alone in the application, an objective is a great way to personalize your resume. It should include the following format: your current area of interest or work, what you are seeking, and why you're a good fit. For example, biomedical engineering student seeking an R&D engineering intern position at Larson Innovations through hard work, dedication, and passion for research and design. Objectives tailor your resume to specific positions and show employers that you took the time to prepare for their application specifically. Moving to the education section. It should include the full name of your academic institution, California Polytechnic State University, San Luis Obispo, your degree type, any concentrations or minors that are a part of your degree, your expected graduation month and year, direct relevant coursework, your GPA or major GPA if it is over a 3.0, and any study abroad or community college experience. Once you've entered a university, it is not necessary to include your high school education. The next section is experience. This is the meat and potatoes of your resume. Categorize your resume by themes such as engineering or customer service experience, and then organize your experience reverse chronologically from most recent to least recent. In each entry, you should include employer name, location, position title, and the start and end date of the position. Some other sections include skills, extracurricular involvement, leadership experience, military service, international experiences, and community service. Each experience on your resume should include a few bullet points to explain the skills you developed at the role. Bullet points should follow the following structure: strong action verb, what you accomplished, and the tools you used to accomplish it. For example, developed a device prototype to aid golfers with nerve damage using SolidWorks, 3D printers, a Haas CNC machine, a Pew Matrix, and a House of Quality. With this format, you can convey a maximum amount of information about your accomplishments and skills in each bullet point. With these tips and tricks, you should be able to assemble a very strong first draft of your resume that best shares your skills and experiences with potential employers. For a more specific feedback, be sure to check in with the Digital Resume Review Service and Career Services. Our student ambassadors will promptly provide more specific feedback that will further polish your resume. Good luck. We look forward to hearing from you.